So to start with, could you take about 30 seconds and give a quick brief introduction about yourself and what do you do?
Myself Hanumanth, and so I completed my engineering in 2003 in town called as Madurai in Tamil Nadu, and after that I started my career as a product R&D as well as quality engineer in same hometown with a company called as Auro Lab, where they do medical device manufacturing.
Well, that's great to hear all of these things, sir. And we're glad that you're here with us. And we look forward to be with you throughout your journey going forward. Yes. So my second question is, 1 year from now, aspirationally from a career perspective, where do you see yourself?
Thanks for asking that question. So 1 year from now, we can consider in two different ways. It's a very short period or it's a very long time. But currently in a global manager role in mechanical and hydraulics, I see 1 year from myself is like into the offering management, where we get the products what we want to offer to the customer. So that's a role what the offering manager play a peak. So they know about the market pulse. They see which market needs what kind of product, so they can able to make it out. Basically a product manager kind of role. So now from there you go to the product manager role, and then slowly we can go ahead on the ladder.
Well, I wish you all the very best for that, sir. I mean, you are here to become, to begin your journey in the product and then become the product leader that you are aiming to.
Yes.
So I wish you all the very best.
Thank you, Monisha. Yeah.
So my third question to you is, could you tell any two aspects that made you choose this program?
So the first and foremost aspect of which I had chosen this program is something like your practical exposure. Which means most of the MBA does it, or some of the MBA does it. I'm not saying means not every MBA is not doing, but one which I see the word which caught my attention is something product leadership, right? So that is the word which caught my attention, and which is something means is there imbibed with the role what I'm currently doing. So that can able to act as a catalyst and then boost in the career side, and we can develop into multiple diversified career paths and other stuff. We never know, means it can open up the door of the entrepreneurship too. Yeah. So I'm expecting means if that triggers to the entrepreneurship, definitely I'll be giving it a try too. Yeah. That's first aspect. Second thing is that every MBA is something means the importance is there in the cohort, right? The cohort and the alumni status. So I saw good alumni status were there, and people are in big companies into product leadership roles. So that's a reason which I had to take a decision that okay, let's go with IPL and connect with the peoples. So with whom our knowledge base will gain, our experience also will go ahead, and plus also there will be a good connectivity as a team can try to make things possible.
I mean, a lot of things have impressed you in choosing this program. We are anyways glad to hear that coming from you. Yeah. Well, Mr. Hanumanth, I also see that you have done your masters.
Yeah.
So what made you choose the executive MBA in product leadership?
Yeah, the masters is the one which I had to do somewhere in the term of mid-career, something manage my career. So I had to do that one. So wherein means I want to understand a core on the management side from the manufacturing standpoint. So where when we talk to the leadership board members within our organization, there are a lot of terminologies we used to talk with them. So what I had is means I did that masters in base means it can give some good foundation for the leadership role. So that's the reason I did that one. But once I enrolled and I was doing that, later part I realized that okay, so that is something like an extended homework I am doing. Okay, it's nothing like different from that point. So the key thing is that to see this MBA, and yes, it's a different perspective it throw to me, because like you have peoples in every 2 weeks, or like twice in a month you need to connect with the people, cohorts. So that's one good thing which is running around, and then the product lab which is there. So that is the one like which encouraged me to get into okay, like let's go to the executive MBA program too, so that like M.Tech is let M.Tech be there. Okay, and then like this MBA also will be giving us a catalyst, right? And deeper understanding on the product side. Yeah.
So so on the whole conversation, I believe you were so much impressed by product lab.
Oh yes, yeah.
That's actually great to hear that, because product labs is also the starting step to become an entrepreneur, where your ideas turn into reality.
Of course, yes.